Good morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, the direction of the markets have been basically lower, and we're trading at near season lows in the grain room. Funds continue to add to their short positions, and today's commitments to traders report might be the most important report for the grains versus the USDA numbers and any producer price index numbers that come out. Outside markets are trading like the Fed will lower rates in September. The key is whether or not they'll lower them again in December. USDA's report today, and basically looking for small increases in the U.S. Bean and corn and wheat carryouts. They won't change production until September, but most people are looking for a little bit bigger corn, a little bit bigger bean, and a bigger wheat crop than what they're currently estimating. Globally, there's quite a bit of difference in private estimates of the Brazil corn, soybean, and Argentina corn crop versus the USDA. So the key is, will they address that, or will they just kick the can down the road and wait for a later month, even though harvest, for the most part, is getting close to done. The question then is, will the USDA lower demand to equal if they lower supply in South America? The Russian crop is probably expected to remain about the same. Russian prices continue to be cheaper as far as world buyers are concerned, but for August, demand for world wheat imports remains thin. There was talk that China bought a couple cargoes of U.S. soybeans. Some insiders feel that may be it, or it could be limited as far as additional purchases. There's also talk that China may be interested in buying U.S. corn. The USDA, most private estimates have them taking about 25 million tons of corn imports, mostly from Brazil and Ukraine, a small amount, 3.7 million tons from the U.S. We got 2.8 on the books. So it does make sense that they buy a few cargoes of corn. Anything more than that might help the corn market. So not expecting a real positive report from the USDA. And as far as weather is concerned, European model is warmer and drier than the American model. No big surprises is expected for the Midwest. Corn crop should be pollinating under mostly normal conditions.